Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the top 10 most important lessons I learned from reading the classic personal finance book, The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need, by Andrew Tobias. This book packs a ton of valuable investing and money management advice into an easy-to-read and entertaining guide. It's considered one of the best beginner investment books out there. Even though it was first published way back in 1978, most of the core principles and advice still hold true today. Here are the 10 most useful money and investing lessons from the book. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'll be wrapping up with 3 actionable recommendations you can start doing right now to improve your finances and a secret scavenger hunt question. Alright, let's jump right in starting with lesson number 1. Lesson 1. Pay off high-interest debt first. The first core piece of personal finance advice Tobias focuses on is paying off any high-interest debt you may have, like credit cards or personal loans, before investing your money elsewhere. He explains how getting an investment return of 7–10% doesn't make sense if you have credit card debt with an interest rate of 15% or higher, so focus on eliminating high-interest debt first. Lesson 2. Establish an emergency fund. Another foundational money management step is to save up a liquid emergency fund with 3–6 months worth of living expenses before investing. This gives you a cushion to handle unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs without going into debt. Aim to build up your emergency savings fund before investing so you have cash reserves on hand. Lesson 3. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. The book stresses the importance of contributing to tax-advantaged retirement plans like 401ks and IRAs to get free money through employer matches, tax savings, and compound growth decades down the line. This lesson still rings true today. Make sure you're contributing enough to get any employer match before investing elsewhere. Lesson 4. Use index funds and ETFs. Tobias was an early advocate of low-cost, broad-market index mutual funds and ETFs for beginner investors. He argued that few active stock pickers can consistently beat the overall market long-term. Index funds like VTI and SPY that track the S&P 500 provide instant diversification and market returns at rock-bottom fees. If you've learned something thus far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more page to prosperity in your life. Now back to learning. Lesson 5. Don't try to time the market. Market timing rarely works since no one can predict the market's ups and downs. Tobias advised buy and hold index fund investing for 20–30 years to smooth out volatility and take advantage of compound growth. Don't obsess over daily price swings. Stay invested through market corrections to reach your long-term goals. Lesson 6. Reinvest dividends and gains. Reinvesting. All your investment earnings from dividends, interest, and capital gains can turbocharge your returns through the magic of compound interest. This turns your portfolio into a snowball rolling downhill, growing faster and faster over time. Set up automatic dividend reinvestment so you effortlessly plow earnings back into your holdings. Lesson 7. Manage taxes on investments. Tobias stressed keeping taxes low on your investment income where possible by using retirement accounts, holding assets for over a year, and donating shares directly to charity. Paying less tax means more money compounding in your portfolio over the long run. Evaluate whether pre-tax or after-tax accounts make more sense for your situation. Lesson 8. Adjust your asset allocation. As you age, the book recommended shifting some portfolio weight from stocks to bonds to reduce risk exposure as the time horizon shortens up. Rebalancing asset allocation from aggressive 100% stocks when young to more conservative 60–40 or 70–30 stock bond mix near retirement can help safeguard savings while still allowing growth. Lesson 9. Draft essential estate planning docs. No one likes thinking about it, but having proper estate planning like a will, living will, trusts, and insurance can avoid nasty legal battles and excessive taxes for heirs down the road. Meet with an estate attorney and get this sorted out well in advance. Make sure accounts have designated beneficiaries attached too. Lesson 10. Enlist professional help if needed. If you don't have the time, interest, or knowledge to manage investments yourself, Tobias said, don't be afraid to seek help from financial advisors, accountants, and other professionals. Paying a bit for expertise may be worthwhile to avoid costly mistakes. Just be sure to vet any advisor thoroughly first. Alright, so those are 10 of the most important investing and personal finance lessons I learned from this classic book. Definitely consider picking up a copy and giving it a read if you want to sharpen your money management skills. Now, as promised, Here are 3 actionable recommendations you can start doing right now to improve your financial situation. 1. Analyze your budget and look for ways to increase your savings rate by cutting discretionary spending. Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference long-term. 2. Call your HR department and make sure you are taking full advantage of any employer retirement plan matching and opt for automatic escalation of your contributions by 1 to 2% a year to turbocharge your compound growth. 3. Open a low-cost, diversified index fund portfolio at Vanguard or Fidelity. Set up automatic monthly transfers from your bank account into the investment account so you effortlessly build wealth over time. Even taking one of these steps can put you on the path to better finances. Now's the time for your scavenger hunt challenge. Use the internet and your researching skills and drop the answer in the comments below, but don't peek yet. According to The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias, what is the recommended percentage of your income to aim for when saving for retirement? Alright guys, that wraps up my top lessons learned from The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which lesson or recommendation resonated most with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more content about personal finance and investing. Check out the book link in the video description to pick up a copy and learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.